Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Gordon Xavier here today to share with you guys a little bit of love, some good energy, and some thoughts revolving around your personal evolution and growth. We got a question coming from Jasmine today. What's up, Jasmine? Jasmine Atkinson. What's going on? It's been a little minute since we spoke. I hope everything is going wonderfully for you in your life and along your path. Today, Jasmine left a comment on a post I made asking you guys to share some video topics with me, and she asked if I can talk about relationships and my personal experiences, good and bad. So I figured, since it's such a big topic, it's such a wide, there's so many areas to hit in this, I'm gonna break it down. So in today's video, what I'm gonna talk about is how to attract someone into your life that resonates with you deeply, someone that you can love upon, someone that matches all of your preferences. I think that's an important thing. We have preferences that we desire in a person, and it would be nice to have somebody that matches up to a lot of those preferences. So I'm gonna share with you guys pretty much how to utilize the law of attraction to bring this person into your life, because I've been blessed to have done that. I'm currently, involved with a girl. Whoa, snap. Currently involved with a girl that lives on the other side of the world right now. She lives out in London, and I got to spend some time with her. Last year she came out and visited me for the summertime, and I went and visited her this February in London. And it's amazing how random it was that I was able to attract her into my life. It was so random. And when we connected, there are so many things, so many, if I had wrote out a list of things that I desire in a girl, she just checks, check, dang, check. Whoa, hold on, wait a minute, check. So I would say I'm pretty qualified to share some ideas with you guys when it comes to this. So how do you attract someone that you can love upon and that you can, see yourself growing with and you can build a relationship with? How do you attract someone like that into your life? Because sometimes it seems kind of difficult to do that, right? With, especially people here in this community, I think a lot of people here are fairly positive people, and they want the best. They want, to see their dreams turning into reality. You want to experience the good in life. So how do you attract somebody that also wants those same things? Well, I'll share with you how I did it. You can sum up attracting someone into your life in this one statement. You find the one you love by doing what you love. So a lot of us, I think the mistake we make when it comes to going out and trying to find a partner is we try to go out and find a partner. We'll set the intention, right, to meet somebody that we can love upon, and then we'll go actively seeking it. And for me, that has never worked. Anytime I've ever had somebody in my life that was, that I resonated with, I always attracted them somehow, randomly, right? And I did that by walking along my path. You see, as you walk along your path, you're going to meet different people that are on that path. But you see, if you're not walking on that path, then you're kind of just stationary. You're living the same routine life, not changing, not evolving, not growing. If you're in the same place, how are you going to meet anybody that is a dream for you? How are you going to meet that dream person when you're not walking along your dream path? So for me personally, when I was able to attract this girl into my life, though, I was very much so on a path of fulfillment and happiness and love and excitement. I was making YouTube videos, and I was building a business. In my life, there were so many feelings in my body of fulfillment that I didn't even need a relationship. I wasn't even seeking a relationship. I mean, yeah, I would have liked to have somebody in my life at the time for me to love upon, but I wasn't even seeking it. I remember there was a day where I just felt so good from all the things I was creating in my life. And I sat down in my car and I connected with the energy of loving a woman, right? I connected with the energy of loving somebody, right? And I'm like, I don't know who you are. I don't know where you're at. I don't know what you're doing, but wherever you are, I love you. And I'm excited to meet you. And I just sat in that feeling and connected with that energy that I knew that this girl would bring me. I sat in that feeling and connected to that. And I moved on. You know, I think a lot of us, we don't really connect to it, but more so we imagine it, and then we look at the fact that how it's not here right now, and I gotta go out and fill this hole. I gotta go out and fill this void. And when you do that, you're only going to attract people that match that void that you're feeling. In turn, you're going to go out and meet somebody, and you're not going to fall in love with them. They may be attractive, but you're not going to fall in love with them. What you're really going to do is you're going to fall in love with the idea that that person can fill that void, and you're not going to see them for who they really are. So if you want to attract the right person into your life, not just anybody, because if you want anybody, if you just want to attract anybody and have some kind of relationship, then yeah, you can do that easily. You can go to the bar, you can go out, you can go to the grocery store, you can go to a couple of meetups and just talk to people and be attractive, be seductive, look at them, radiate that type of energy. But if you want to find that person that your hearts dance, right, that your hearts vibrate together, if you want to find that person, then it's about first off filling up your heart. Fill up your heart with your love of life, your fulfillment, with fulfillment that you get from life, from the appreciation and the stuff you get that's in your life already. And when you fill your heart up with that, now you're going to attract more of that feeling into your life. And when you attract that feeling in the form of a person, you're going to attract a really, really great relationship. Trust me. So, takeaway from this video, go out there with a full heart. Don't go out there looking for a relationship, but go out there open to one. And do what you love to do. Walk your path. Walk your path. Walk your path. That is in alignment with your dream life. And as you're walking along the path that is in alignment with your dream life, you'll find your dream lover. You'll find your dream guy or your dream girl. You'll find that person along your dream path. And when you do come across somebody that you feel may resonate on that level, don't get attached. Love them in a way in which you want them to be free. You want them to if you're not the person for them that brings them that kind of joy, love them to that person. Let them go. Just love, man. Just love, dog. You can't spell evolve without love. Look at this. L-O-V-E. You can't spell evolve without love. So you want your relationships to evolve? Just love your way through it. And once again, when you find that person that you think may resonate on that level, love them. Don't love the idea that you have of them. Don't love their potential. While you want to bring that potential out of them by inspiring them, don't fall in love with their potential. Get to know them for them and where they've been. Get to know where get an understanding of where their heart is right now. Where's your heart at? What hurts in their heart? What thoughts are in your mind? What beliefs do you have? What preferences do you have? Understand all that stuff first. And as you understand that, your feelings will begin to let you know. If your intuition will begin to let you know if this is that person that you can move forward and build a great relationship with. So, I hope this information serves you. And if you have any advice on this topic, leave it below in the comments and share some ideas that you've learned from your good relationships. Share some ideas that you've learned from your bad relationships, because we're all in this together. We're all trying to grow together, And if this video has served you once again, hit that like button and subscribe and hit the little bell button so you can be notified for future videos. So in the next video, if you guys enjoyed this and they get some love, I'll make Relationships 102, where I talk about how to maintain that relationship versus attract the relationship. All right? So until next time, you guys be easy. Much love.